Hello and welcome back. This video is about domain and web hosting. I'll be showing you how to get a domain name for your site and web hosting. There are a lot of web hosting providers out there in the market. There is GoDaddy, Bluehost, DreamHost, the list goes on. I personally use Namecheap and I use them for a lot of reasons. The first one is they have fast shared hosting. They offer you free SSL certification. Actually, you can use up to 50 SSL certifications, and they have competitive pricing compared to other web hosting providers. You can get a whole year of hosting for just $25. You can add up to 3 domain names, SSD drives, and access to cPanel, which I'll talk about it later. The support is great. If you have any kind of problem, just scroll at the end of the page and click this live chat button. They will respond to your questions immediately. It's been 3 years now. I use the services, no problems, no downtimes. All of my sites are working just fine. I've included a link with this video. Click on it or paste it on your browser and it should take you right to this page. Now the first thing we're going to do is buy the domain name. But before we do that, you have to decide which niche you are going to use. As I mentioned before, it's up to you. You can choose any niche you want. Maybe a niche you are passionate about, but I've found after a lot of tests, trial and error, quizzes websites tend to perform well. And the reason it works because quizzes are related to people personality. And when it comes to personality, people get attached to it. Now, before we proceed, you need to do a little bit of brainstorming and pick a good domain name for your website. For instance, if you decide to build a quiz website, it's better to include the keyword in the domain name. For example, quizforfun.com or quiz101, quizzes forever, something like that. And remember to keep it short because the shorter, the better. Long domain names look spammy and not trustworthy. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a domain name. Go over here to this search box and start searching. For example, I'm going to type quiz101.com. This one is taken. Scroll a little bit further to see all the available domains. We have .club, .live, .io. This one looks pretty neat and short, but it's expensive. It's $32. That's a lot. .pro, it's $1.88. The first year looks good. If you want more domain extensions, go ahead and click where it says explore more. They will give you a lot of different options in multiple categories. $1 or less domains. You can get a very cheap domain for less than $1. Personal, professional, businesses. You can choose the extension you want, .com, .net, .org. It doesn't matter. Just make sure the domain name is easy to read and simple. If you don't want to spend like $10 on a domain name, you can go with the cheap extension like .fun, .club, or search for discounted extensions. Actually, Namecheap makes a lot of discounts on the first year when you buy a domain name. So for example, if you click on the $1 or less domains, pick one of these. It's under $1 the first year. This is a great option if you are planning to create multiple websites in different niches. You can create up to 10 websites with only $10. That's equal to one single .com or .net domain price. I personally go with the US extension. It looks professional, short, and it's cheap the first year. So I'm gonna click add to cart. Click on View Cart. Click Confirm Order. Now you have to create an account. If you already have an account, just log in here. If not, go ahead and create a brand new account. First, enter your username, Badrach101. Then choose a password. Your first name, your last name, your email address, then click Create Account and continue. Scroll a little bit to the middle of the page and enter your address. City, state and province, zip code, country, your phone number. Click Continue. Click Continue once again. Now you need to choose your payment method. You can pay using your credit card or using your PayPal account. I always pay for online services using PayPal because it's more secure, and if something goes wrong, you get your money back very quickly. Click Continue. Check out with PayPal, and it's gonna redirect you to your PayPal account. Click Login. Continue. Wait a little bit. And we're done. Congratulations. You've just bought your domain name. Now hover on where it says your username. Click Dashboard. And here is your domain name. Now, one more thing to do is you need to edit your domain name DNS. Click here where it says Manage. And change the Namecheap Basic DNS to Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. Hit save, and that's it. We're done with the domain name. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to buy web hosting.